Okay, hello. So today I'm going to teach you how to find the list of suppliers or the manufacturers on Alibaba. So since we already have profitable items, profitable products that we're going to use for our private label, so these two are interesting. And the next step after the profitability of the product is to find a supplier or a manufacturer that can offer a very good price. And let's start. So we can open an Alibaba and use, okay, let's use the keywords. Okay, so kapag ginamit natin yung keywords, lalabas ngayon dito yung mga suppliers. Yeah, like this one. Suppliers or manufacturer ng ganitong product. So it is a wood, fruit, and vegetable storage rack. Then um, we can prepare a list or a Google sheet to get all the list. So I already prepared. So this one. Okay, so this is a floating shelf. This is a fruit rack. I already collected that. Like this one, we can find the lower offer. Like this one is 6.7, this one is 7.19, this one is 8.51. So we can get like this one 603. So kunin natin yung lower yung offer. So yun. So since, okay, let's open one and I will give you an example. Let's open one. Mm, this one is not verified. Gusto natin sa supplier is yung verified. Oh, this one is not verified. Okay, I'll give you an example of a verified. This one. Ang kaibahan kasi ng verified at saka hindi verified. So, mas safe makipag-transact sa mga verified accounts dahil they are verified, like they are required to submit a lot of documents to prove that their business is legit. So, hinihingan sila ni Alibaba ng mga documents para mapatunayan na talagang legit manufacturer sila. They have also, some of them, they also have, yeah, this one. So, much better na laging kunin is yung verified. But I'm not saying hindi magandang makapag-transact sa mga hindi verified. Sometimes, mas lower yung offer nila. But, kung medyo takot ka na makipag-deal sa kanila, kasi syempre, pera natin yung gagamitin natin to purchase, or pera ng ating client, if you care about the money of your client. So, syempre, mas pipiliin natin na yung verified na para sure wala tayong pagsisisihan in the end. So, yon. So, this one, we will collect all the details. So, the link. So, okay, this one, company name, and this one are all clickable. They have the link. So, in case you wanted to check what are their products, so see all categories, makikita natin dito. Yeah, meron din sila ng mga badge na to. So, makikita natin yung mga product nila dito, about the company, about the contact info, company profile. So, pwede nating ma-review dyan. Pero hindi na naman masyadong nire-review yung mga company profile, contact, or whatever, ano pa. Basta mahalaga, it's verified sila. And, yan, there are 3 years. They are a manufacturer, custom manufacturer. So, they are manufacturer na talaga. Hindi sila supplier or like mga agent. So, they are manufacturer. So, yeah, collect lang natin yung company name, yung Alibaba link, kasi importante to, kung verified or hindi, yung price, yung MOQ or minimum ordered quantity para alam natin. Kasi like, meron dito kasing, may nakita ako dito na ang minimum nila is like 1,000. So, hindi naman siguro tayo magpo-purchase ng 1,000. Minsan nga 200 lang per color, per item, or per product ang i-purchase natin. So, kapag mga ganito, anyway, pwede namang makipag-negotiate sa kanila. Pwede na rin namang kunin para baka sakali na magbigay sila ng lower than the MOQ. Pero, medyo higher nga lang yung price. The more, the cheaper the price. So, yeah, we will just collect it. The size, pwede naman natin kunin, pwede rin hindi. Kung importante yung size, kailangan natin kunin. Kung hindi naman siya importante at iisang size lang naman yung hinahanap natin, pwede natin siyang hindi na kunin. And then, kung they are a manufacturer or a supplier. So, normally yung mga verified, they are the manufacturer. Also, contact person once you contacted it. So, how to contact them? Yan, ito lang. Chat, click the chat, but you need to have a template. So, I have here a template ng mga information na gusto kong itanong sa kanila. So, this one. Hello, could you please provide the pricing for your 3-tier and 2-tier fruit storage rack for an order quantity of 4,000 to 5,000 pieces in a multiple colors and sizes, and then kailangan natin ibigay yung description, so requested colors for bimbo kasi this one is all made of bimbo. So made of bimbo yan, kinukulayan lang nila. Merong iba na may mga, yeah, like this one, white. Kinukulayan lang nila yan. Yung iba ay kulay black, brown, kakulay ng walnut wood. So, kinukulayan lang nila. So, kaya, nilagay ko dito yung request ko na yung kulay ng bamboo wood na gusto ko is black, white, brown, and then, yung bamboo na natural color. So, meaning this one, hindi nila kailangang lagyan ng paint. This one, lalagyan nila ng paint na black, white, and brown. This one is a natural color, wala siyang paint. And another requested ko sa kanila is yung natural wood. So, kung ito ay gawa sa bamboo, ito naman ay gawa sa walnut and acacia. So, gusto ko rin malaman ang price ng dalawang to. Mas mahal to kasi syempre walnut, mahal na klase ng wood. So, ganun din yung acacia. Mas mahal siya comparing sa bamboo. Mura lang kasi yung bamboo. And then also the requested size, binigay ko na rin yung information sa kanila para alam nila yung size na hinahanap ko. And then I also asked them, or I also told them na kailangan na ng logo customization kasi kailangan i-customize yung logo for the boxes. So, meron akong sample ng box dito. Kung sinisend ko rin sa kanila kung anong klase ng box na gusto ko. So, that one. And then, sinisend ko rin sa kanila yung klase ng logo na ilalagay. So, that one. So, ito naman hindi agad-agad sinisend kapag nag-request sila or nire-request talaga nila. And then also this one, the brown box packaging with added protective feeling to make sure na maglalagay talaga sila ng additional protective feeling para hindi ma-damage yung product. And then also, they ask for the delivery destination. So, this is just binibigay lang. But the location or the destination is hindi siya pare-pareho kasi nga sa Amazon siya sinisend. So, ang location kasi sa Amazon is iba-iba, hindi puro Florida lang. So, yan, nag-create ako ng template para isend sa kanila, and then I will start, chat with them. I already have chat here, like this one. So, yan. So, sinend ko lang sa kanila, hello, blah, 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 blah. And then, siya, nagtatanong na sila, I can share pricing details, just let me know, let me double check all your costs. So, yung iba na nakausap ko na dito, like this one. So, ang dami niya talagang tinatanong. So, kailangan mo talaga makipag-communicate sa kanila. So, yan, oh. I think this one, yeah, nag-reply lang ako sa kanila, yes, I want that kind of products in 3 tier and 2 tier, and I also send them the MOQ or the quantity that I want per wood type and per color. So, sinend ko lang sa kanila yung sample ng gusto kong design. Ayan. And then, tinanong nila kung yung measurement or yung dimension, kung pare-pareho daw ba. So, this one, nag-send din ako sa kanila ng measurement na gusto ko. And then, so yan. And, marami siyang tanong. And then, yeah, tinatanong nila lagi is, you need to customize product logo. Could you please send us the product logo? For logos with not too complicated design, we usually printed them on for free. So, free nilang piniprint. Pero kapag medyo complicated yung logo, maraming, let's say, makulay or madaming design, so, may additional. May additional charge siya. And then, I don't have the logo yet. So, hindi ko ready yung logo ko. So, abi ko, I will provide you later. And then, this one. So, marami siyang question. So, kailangan mo lang makipag-communicate para sagutin yung mga question nila. And there you go. They send na the quotation. So, yan na yung quotation nila. Okay, bamboo, acacia, walnut, and then the natural color, the black, the brown, the white. Ito na yung price. So, kapag nakakuha ka na ng ganan, wag kang titigil. Like, wag kang mag-i-stick sa iisa lang. So, since ang dami dito sa list, iisa-isahin mo talaga to. Kasi makakakuha ka talaga dito ng lower price with a good quality. So, kailangan lang talaga nating maging matyaga at patient sa pakikipag-usap sa kanila. Kasi ang dami-dami nilang talong. Minsan pare-pareho sila. Minsan nagipag-communicate ako like this one, sabay-sabay ako nagipag-communicate sa 12. So, minsan nakakalito talaga na masisend sa kabila yung tanong ng kabila. So, medyo kailangan din ng presence of mind para hindi masyado magulo. So, this one, meron akong sinisinulat na feedback. So, I got the quotation for this and then the rest, hindi pa sila sumasagot. I also highlighted this kasi I like this one because they have FSC certificate. I don't know what is this FSC certificate, but this is an advantage. Kapag meron ito, makakakuha ka ng badge, climate-friendly badge sa Amazon, which is kinukonsider minsan ng buyer kapag may mga ganong badge. So, gugustuhin ng buyer or ng customer na bilihin yung product pag nakita nila na, ay, may ganitong badge siya, climate friendly or sustainability features. Saan ba ako nakakita nun? Okay, let's show you Amazon. And then, let's try kahit anong product. Let's see kung lalabas siya dito. Mukhang hindi siya makikita dito. Kailangan i-open isa-isa para makita yung badge. Okay, let's see other product para makita nyo yung badge. Walnut cutting board. Ayun, nakita ko. Nasaan na? This one. May mga badge siya. Forestry practice. Meron pang ibang other badge dito. Puro forestry practice. Merong nakalagay sustainability. Okay, maybe we can show this one. So, may badge siya. Ayan. a sustainability feature. So this climate friendly forestry practice sustainability features. So kapag may ganito kasi, minsan kino-consider ng mga customer na okay to, may mga ganitong badge. So yun, kaya hinighlight ko tong isang to. Interested ako na makuha yung kanilang quotation, and if konti lang yung difference nila dito sa ibang quotation, then I will go for this one. Um, so far, hindi pa ako tapos mag-check at makipag-communicate sa kanila. First batch pa lang yung nakausap ko or naka-chat ko, and then I'll do again the other. And once na nakakuha ka na ng good pricing, sometimes, depende sa client or kung ikaw yung seller, much better na humingi ka ng sample. They're giving sample sometimes for free, and then you will just pay the shipping fee. And kapag sent to US, like mga 7 days siguro, kasi by air naman siya, so within 7 days marireceive siya in the US, or maybe kung dito sa Pinas kahihingi ng dito mapapadala yung sample, so maybe mga ganun din, or maybe mas maaga, mas shorter, but I hindi ko pa natatry yun. So normally nagsisend lang ako ng sample is sa US sa mga client ko. And then once they see the quality of the products and they like it, then we will start ordering with them. We will start sending them the list of the products, the sizes, like this one. Oh, where you? So, eto. Kukunin lang natin ito, and then ito, and then ito. Ilagay natin sa isang Excel sheet, and then we can send it to them kung ilan man yung gusto nating quantity. And the manufacturing is around, may mga company, may mga manufacturer na 30 days sharp they can deliver it. Sometimes other manufacturers, they will say it's 35 days, others are 45 days, so depende sa manufacturer. So far ang na-experience ko pa lang naman is around 35 days, puro sila 35 days. Then right after that, kapag natapos na ang production, then i-arrange na ang shipping from um, China to US, depende, may fast shipping which is around really mga 30 to 45 days, and yung regular shipping nila is like 45 to 55, minsan inaabot pa nga ng 60 days pag may mga delay. And also sometimes nagkakaroon din ng delay sa custom clearance, and may mga cases pa din na nare-return uli sa China yung product, nagkakaroon ng mga issue ng problema sa custom. So kapag sanay naman na yung shipping company or yung carrier na kinuha nyo, so lesser na yung mga ganong issue, pero minsan hindi talaga naiiwasan. So in my experience, ilang beses na rin kaming nakaranas na may mga nare-return talaga sa pabalik sa China, so it's a waste of money and also waste of time. So instead na mabibenta na yung product, is na-return pa siya, and also there's a possibility of damage of the product kasi nakarating na siya sa US, bumalik ulit siya ng China, and then ibabalik ulit siya ng US after. So yun, so this is how we do our supplier research and communicating with them or negotiating with them. I will also record another video when when I am negotiating with them the price, kasi yung quotation na binigay nila pwede pa yung mahila pababa. Pag-uusapan lang ano ba yung mga pwedeng alisin or pwedeng i-improve or pwedeng gawin to get lower price than their quote. So, kailangan talaga magaling makapag-negotiate dito. So, yun yung kailangan. And I think that's it. for um, Alibaba supplier research. Thank you.